No, no. We do it in the editing process. We like chop it up and get the tiny one. Get the red. Get the red right. Oh, you picked it up? Yeah. It's sitting right there. Just hold on 1 second. Okay.
What's your name?
Hi, my name is Caleb Learn.
Okay. How long have you been doing blacksmithing?
Well, I've been doing blacksmithing personally for about 10 years now, but this is my first time as a metalwork merit badge counselor.
Okay. What tools do you use?
Well, the blacksmith has his basic tools. We have our coal forge here, which heats up the metal so we can shape it into the various projects you guys will do here. Then we have the workhorse of the organization. If you look behind me, you'll see that thing over there with the funny nose. That would be the anvil. That's what you see in all your Acme cartoons. On top of it is our hammer. Classic useful thing here. And then over here, these big tall things with like little legs on them. That's called leg lights, and that's what we use to hold on material.
How old are some of these materials? Because they seem pretty old to me.
Well, they are pretty old. The anvil back there is at least 100 years old. I mean, that's a very early 20th century piece there. Down there is a really old forge, which is a late 1800s, early 1900s style. There's a lot of stuff here that's from the early 20th century. A lot of history in here.
Okay, well, thank you for your headlights you have on your
All right, well, thank you very much. Here comes Justin. Where you at? Okay, you jumped on the boat. This side, okay.
So, how do you take a second class? I have a green card already.
Wait, so what's the difference?
I'll guarantee that if you were really interested,
What are you working on currently?
Making a steak turner for my metalworking merit badge.
some people do it professionally.
What do you need to do to complete the merit badge?
I have one other project to make, and then I need to do a reporting.
Okay. Would you recommend this merit badge to anybody else? Any other scout?
Yes, I would. It's very fun. It's challenging at some times, but it's very rewarding.
Well, thank you for your time. We appreciate it. Okay.
Thank you.
A lot of times they're using now.
Hi, my name is Connor Spur. I'm from Port Angeles, Washington, and I was the screenwriter.
Hi. Hello, my name is Connor Woods. I'm from Marshfield, Massachusetts, and I was the writer.
Hey, my name's Danny. I'm from Hudson Valley, New York, and I was the production assistant.
My name is Zane Balk. I'm from Mount Pleasant, Utah, and I was the interviewer.
Oh no.
Hello, my name is Ethan. I was an assistant cameraman, and I'm from Omaha, Nebraska.
I'm Adam. I'm from Hudson Valley Council, and I was the cameraman.
Hi, my name is Miguel Guerrero. I'm from New York, Bronx, and I was the director.